Greetings, friends. I am here with another tutorial. I had this on my YouTube a while back, but I deleted it because I didn't like it. And so I'm doing it again. And this song is called Space to Feel. It is the title track of my album Integration. And that's the other title for it is Integration. Because it really requires, I believe it really requires space for ourselves to integrate, the space to feel, to heal, to process all of the things that we need to process in this ceremony of life. So the song's really easy. I'm going to be playing it without a capo. I usually play it on the 3rd fret, with the capo on the 3rd fret, but it's a little bit high for most people. So I'm going to just be playing it without the capo. So there's only 4 chords in the song: C, G, A minor, and F. You know, it's those very popular chord combinations. So there is basically 3 parts to the song. And I repeat certain parts and it just kind of loops. So I'll call out the chords as I go through the song for the first time. And then you can pause, and practice. And then by the end, I'll just play the song through and you can play along with me and sing with me. Okay? So starting on C. And I'm going to strum very simply to begin with. So starting on C. Space to feel, to G, to A minor. Space to heal, to F. To listen deeply, G. And be still, to the F. To A minor. Realign, to C. To F. Body, soul, then mind, to A minor, so that I can see clearly, to C, who I'm here to be, to F. To C now. So that's the first part. And then it goes back to, and then it goes to this part, who I am here. So that's C, to G, who I am here, to the F, who I am here to be, holding the F, back to C again, who I am here, G, who I am here, to F, who I am here to be, to the A minor now, who I am here, to C, who I am here, F, who I am here to be, A minor, who I am here, excuse me, I'm gonna sneeze, who I am here, to F, who I am here to be. All right, so now it's gonna go to the 3rd part. Goes back to the C. Listening. So I like to do my ring finger on the C in this case because it makes it really easy to transition to the next chord, because I basically move my ring finger over to make the G. So from the C to the G, it's a very easy transition there. So listening, listening to G, listening, listening to F, listening to my soul. Back to C, surrender to the mystery, to G, surrender to my mastery, surrender and let go, to F. A minor now, I'm trusting in the process, to C, trusting in my progress, to G, to F, trusting always learning more, A minor, every day is a blessing, a new song I can sing to remind me what I am here for. I'll do that part again because I usually repeat that again. Back to C. Listening, listening to G. Listening, listening to F. Listening to my soul. Back to C. Surrender to the mystery. Surrender to my mastery. To F. Surrender and let go. To A minor. I'm trusting in the process. To A. C. Trusting in my progress. The F. Trusting, always learning more. A minor. Every day is a blessing. To C. A new song I can sing. To F. To remind me what I am here for. Okay, that's it. And then I go back to the beginning. To space, to feel. Back to C. Space to feel. A little different. I go straight to the F now. Space to heal. To back to C. Listen deeply and be still. Okay. To the A minor. To body, soul, and mind, so that I can see clearly who I'm here to be. Good. The A minor now, or to the C. Who I am here to G. Who I am here to F. Who I am here to be. Back to the C. Back to that listening part. Maybe repeat that 2 times and then go back to the beginning. You know, you could sing it however many times you like. And I am going to just show you how I usually play it. It's going to be a little bit higher, and you can just feel free to sing along with me and see how it feels to bring it up. So it's bringing it up. Yeah, it's bringing it up 1.5 steps, or actually 2 steps. So here we go. Space to feel, space to heal, to listen deeply and be still. Right? But that's where I like to sing it. I hope that helps, and enjoy yourself in singing this song, and also just remembering to give yourself the space to feel all you need to feel, to process and work through all you need to work through, and to integrate this ceremony of life. There are many ways that we can integrate. Some of my favorite things to do, off the top of my head, creating art, just creating anything with my hands, crafting, writing poetry, journaling, getting out in nature, moving my body, and just tuning in with nature and enjoying nature's beauty just gives me the time to reflect on my life. Yeah, those are a few things. You can let me know in the comments, what is it that you do for yourself to integrate your ceremony of life? All right, many blessings. Aloha.